What's up, y'all? It's your favorite wig reviewer back at it again with another unit from Alipearl Hair. This is going to be a 30-inch 13x4 HD lace wig. And as you can see, the wig comes with a lot of goodies. We had a bonnet, scarf, lashes, elastic band, literally everything you'll need for a nice, good, flat, sleek install. So this is what she looked like. I had already installed the wig. I've done so many wigs and so many videos on me installing a wig. I thought I'd spare you that because I wanted to show you how to get a nice sleek half up, half down. So I'm going to just part the hair in half, depending on how much you want up in a ponytail. Just depends on how much hair you part out. So here I'm kind of just winging it and brushing it up until I like the thickness of the ponytail. Like always, I did pre-pluck and bleach this wig before I put her on. So I feel like if you are going to do this style, you need to make sure that you do that as well, just so it'll be as natural as possible. Y'all, this spray is going to be your best friend, not only just with wigs in general, but definitely sleek ponytails on wigs and your real hair for that matter. I never knew how much I loved it until I actually tried. It slicks everything down and leaves a nice shiny glossy look, and it just makes you look so much more put together. I don't know why I'm stuttering. So after I sprayed her down, I'm going to take a little piece from the ponytail and just wrap her around that bright green scrunchie. So this is how I decided to wear the wig the very first day I installed her. Just a cute, sleek, half up, half down. The hair is nice and shiny, thick and full. And I had never tried this style before. I love it. I got so many compliments. And I went to this place called JoJo's Shake Bar, and I got a lot of compliments on my hair while I was there. After I was done with the straight look, I decided to add some crimps to the ponytail and the back hair that was hanging down, and it gave it a completely different look. So I'm going to show you how I did that as well. So if you haven't watched any of my old hair videos, this hot tool is from I think it was from Target, but I have seen them at Walmart too. And girl, they only like 25 to 30 bucks. This is definitely a staple hot tool, girl. If you like your hair slayed and laid and you like doing your hair a whole bunch of different styles, this is such a good hot tool to have, and it's so cheap. So I'm just going to crimp it, and I kind of want them to be a little loose, so I'm not even keeping the waver on there for that long. Just a couple seconds just to, get that little indentation. You could do them if I really wanted them to be nice and defined, like the wave / crimps. I could spray some Got to Be Free spray on before I crimp, but I don't want that look. But just giving you an idea if you did. The very top piece, I wanted that to be more defined, so I sprayed some free spray. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Here I just sprayed some free spray just so it can be a little bit more defined and shiny since this is at the very top of my head. And of course, you know I had to add a scrunchie. Duh. But it came out so cute. This is a really good everyday wig. It's nice, thick, full, healthy. And it's definitely a staple for my wig wearers. You always need a nice, long, natural color unit. So if you want to pick this wig up, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.